tree we cut, we can plant 2 new, and plus minus 100 years until they reach their adulthood. Well, it depends, you know. There's aspen as well, which grows, you know, in 60 years, not 80 or 100 years. I would like to just add on young forests. As I was picking mushrooms, I found a new forest just near Riga where there were mushrooms and berries and stuff. Berries because berries because it was already a swamp or a bog. Yeah, okay. Well, anyhow, there are new forests and they are being maintained or managed and they are being grown. But that's the state forest inspection that is responsible for that, not the state forests. I'm sorry I didn't hear the presentation in full length, but if I'm repeating anybody else's views, please stop me so that we don't have to repeat the information. But do you have any kind of research in the state forests on what's the impact of the cutting of the forests on the fauna or animals and bugs and so on and so forth? Are you able to maintain the biodiversity where you cut? So are you talking only about the small bugs, or, well, about all kinds of vegetation, including the reindeer and so forth? So in our company we have environmental planners, environmental planning department, and in each of our branch offices we have specialists that are responsible for that. Before we sanction any kind of cutting, we evaluate the impact on the environment very carefully. So in case of all clear cuts, in case of any kind of cutting activity, we are leaving the ecological tree patches where we maintain the biodiversity until these newly planted trees grow to a full extent. But from a statistical point of view, as the question was, you have not evaluated that. Well, we do have the environmental reviews, annual environmental reviews, where all the bugs and reindeers are counted. Well, not reindeers probably, but that's a responsibility of a different service. So we have to finish with this, and we are already under time pressure. I've already stolen a couple of minutes from your lunch break.